Hey family, this is Janay from Chicago. I'm a local realtor and real estate investor, and this video is just to answer the question about what is an FHA loan. An FHA loan is from the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, and it is literally a government-backed loan program. An FHA loan is really used for people who are first-time home buyers or seniors who are getting into home ownership. And the cool thing about a FHA loan is that it is way more flexible than a conventional loan. Unlike conventional loans can be tied to private banks, private lenders. The FHA loan is tied to a government entity, so it allows for the government to back up the loan, kind of insuring the loan, making sure that it's going to be paid back, right? So the cool thing about a FHA loan is that it has a couple of upsides, right? So the advantages of a FHA loan is that you can get into an FHA loan with a low credit score, with a low down payment, and it's federally backed, right? The disadvantages of an FHA loan is that you will have to pay a mortgage insurance premium, which is kind of an insurance to make sure that you are going to pay your mortgage, and that if you default on that mortgage, that it's going to be paid by the government, which is why it's a government-backed loan, right? There's a limitation on the type of properties that you can purchase with the FHA loan. There is a higher interest rate, and sometimes it's a little unattractive to sellers because they have some requirements in terms of the physical attributes of the building that have to be met in order for you to qualify for that loan, right? So there are advantages and disadvantages as there is to anything. But an FHA loan is really a great opportunity for you to get into a home if you are a first-time buyer. The best reason for using an FHA loan is the low down payment. You can get as low as 3.5% down on the cost of your home. So easy math, if you're buying a $100,000 property, 3.5% is $3,500. That's what you would have to bring to the table as the down payment to get the rest of the home, right? So you just bring a little bit down and they give you the rest of the money, versus other loan programs may have a higher down payment, right? The reason that the down payment is so low is because they want home buyers to be able to afford to get into a home. So they do have that flexible lending option. So if you're a first-time home buyer, if you have a limited savings or limited down payment, if you have a low credit score, an FHA loan can be as low as 580. Some can go all the way down to 500. Of course, other qualifying factors are considered if you're going to have a low down payment. You can't have a low down payment and low income, right? You have to be able to balance out what you really have. And then if you're looking for a single family home, or you can even purchase a rental property as long as you're living in the home, right? The FHA requirement is that you live in the home. If you're going a conventional loan, you don't have to live in the home. But with FHA being a government-backed loan, they want to make sure that you're living in the home, but you can also purchase not just a single-family home, but a rental property. So let's say you purchase a 2, 3, or 4 unit property, which are very common types of properties in Chicago. If you live in one unit and rent out the other 3 units, you can get an FHA loan, have that really, really low down payment, and then be collecting rent from the other units. Isn't that a great idea for somebody who's a first-time home buyer? Rather than buying a single-family home, you go and buy a multi-family home, and now you're collecting rents. That is a plan that I'm happy to help you accomplish or achieve or start. It may be a 3, 6, or 12-month plan, but it's a good strategy for you to get started as a first-time home buyer, and I'm here to help you do it. If not me, find a local realtor in your area, find a local lender in your area, and start making a plan. Don't let anybody tell you when it's time to buy a home. The best time to buy a home is when you're ready. Get as educated as you can, make a plan, and then go for it. All right? Good luck to you on your home buying journey. If you need me, reach out to me. My number is at the bottom, my contact information. Please reach out. I'm happy to help. All right? Have a good day.